The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS, is a crucial safety feature in modern vehicles that alerts you when your tire pressure is below the manufacturer's recommended level. Typically, if the TPMS light comes on, it means one or more tires are underinflated. However, there are cases where the TPMS light remains illuminated even when the tire pressure appears fine upon visual inspection or when checked with a gauge. This scenario can be confusing and lead to frustration, especially if you're unsure why the light is on. In this article, we will explore several reasons why your TPMS light might stay on even if your tires are in good condition and at the correct pressure. 1. Sensor malfunction or damage. One of the most common reasons for a TPMS light staying on despite the tires being properly inflated is a sensor malfunction. TPMS sensors are typically located inside the tire and can wear out or become damaged over time, particularly if you've hit a curb, driven through a pothole, or been off-road. The internal batteries in TPMS sensors also have a limited lifespan, usually between 5–10 years, and as they begin to fail, they might trigger the warning light incorrectly. A malfunctioning sensor may still send incorrect data to your vehicle's computer, leading to the light staying on even though your tire pressure is optimal. Checking and testing these sensors with specialized equipment at a repair shop can often diagnose whether they are the source of the problem. 2. Environmental factors. Temperature fluctuations can also play a significant role in why your TPMS light is on, even though your tires are fine. TPMS systems are sensitive to changes in tire pressure, which can vary with temperature. For instance, cold weather can cause the air in your tires to contract, leading the system to believe the pressure is lower than it actually is. When the air warms up, the pressure increases, potentially fixing the issue, but not always. In some cases, the TPMS system may not automatically reset, even if the tire pressure has returned to normal levels. A similar issue can occur when driving at high altitudes. The difference in atmospheric pressure can affect how your TPMS reads the tire pressure, triggering the warning light even if the tires are properly inflated for lower altitudes. 3. Issues with TPMS programming. Sometimes the TPMS light might stay on due to an issue with how the system is programmed. When new tires are installed, especially if the tire size differs from what the vehicle originally came with, the TPMS sensors might not be properly calibrated. This can result in the system misreading the tire pressure, even if the tires are fine. Similarly, if you've had any recent work done on your car's electronics or battery, it's possible that the TPMS system wasn't reset properly afterward. A recalibration or reset of the TPMS system is often required in these situations. This can be done by following the instructions in your vehicle's owner's manual, or you may need to take the vehicle to a professional to reset the system using specialized tools. 4. Slow leaks. Another possible reason for the TPMS light staying on is a slow air leak in one of the tires. While the tire may appear to be fine upon visual inspection, or even after a quick pressure check, a very slow leak can escape detection, causing the tire to gradually lose pressure over time. Slow leaks can be caused by a number of factors, including small punctures, a leaking valve stem, or even corrosion around the wheel's rim where it meets the tire. In cases like this, the TPMS light can stay on even if the tires seem fine in the short term, as the tire might slowly lose air over a longer period of time. 5. Faulty tire. Pressure gauge. Sometimes the TPMS light is not the problem. Your tire pressure gauge might be giving you incorrect readings. A faulty or inaccurate gauge could mislead you into believing the tire pressure is fine when it is actually below the recommended level. Cheap or old gauges can wear out, leading to incorrect readings. It's important to use a high-quality, accurate gauge when checking your tire pressure to rule out this potential issue. 6. TPMS communication issues. In some cases, the TPMS warning light might come on due to communication issues between the sensors and the vehicle's onboard computer. This can happen if there is interference with the signal or if the receiver is malfunctioning. Such communication breakdowns can cause the system to erroneously trigger the light. While less common than some of the other causes, this is still a possibility, especially if you've noticed any other electrical issues in your car recently. Conclusion. While it's tempting to ignore a TPMS light if your tires appear fine, it's important not to dismiss the warning, as there could be an underlying issue that requires attention. From sensor malfunctions to environmental factors and slow leaks, there are several potential reasons why the TPMS light might be on, even if your tires seem in good shape. In the next part of this article, we will discuss the steps you can take to resolve this issue and ensure your TPMS system is functioning correctly.